gonna spread it out.
You got a spoon?
I got it.
Get the spoon. No, the big spoon.
I ain't gonna do that.
Okay, you're not gonna help if you gotta do all that.
And you need help opening it? She said open it.
Okay, it's open. Don't get your clothes. Let me see. Come here. Come right here. All right, pour it in. I'm gonna spread it around the pan. It don't have to be all the way, just enough where the shells won't stick. All right, thank you, Mama. It's going to the trash, please. All right, try to get as much of the edge. What about the sides? Just the bottom of the pan. Okay. Got it? All right, we're good. Okay, y'all, so we're going to start with the first layer. Oh, that's how we got to do it. Okay.
The first layer we started on.
Go ahead and put that in the sink. Actually, we're going to need that spoon for the meat. So, hold on a second.
Maybe I drink too much Coke.
Don't be putting your hands in your face, don't be doing all that. We got to eat this food. You got to do all that. I need your help.
Then we put the sauce on there. Then we put that on there.
Okay, you guys, we're going to start layering it. Let me see if I can. They're stuck to each other, but you don't want to be too rough because you don't want to
break it apart.
So let me see.
I'll go and use the bathroom.
All right, bye-bye.
No, it's not really going to work. This way.
That means I would have to do. That's how I was telling him. That's how I was saying it was gonna be too long. But he was saying doing them before they got cooked, it looked like they was gonna stuck together. Yeah, this is stressful. This is stressful. Trying to make lasagna.
Best way is to rip it. Is either rip it or cut it.
It's too many
to cut.
It's 3. Okay. It's going to separate a little bit, but we got it. Okay. All right, you guys. I'm trying to separate this from each other. I might just have to tear it.
Tear it, huh? That works more better than stripped apart.
That's too much. Look at all that on there. That's not going to taste good.
It looks like cheese, a bunch of cheese.
You look like cheese, you guys.
It's a bunch of cheese.
Okay.
Just cheese.
That's going to be too little.
There you go.
Yeah, so like that. Okay, I guess we will have to try to break off probably half of the bottom. Let's see. Put it there. Okay, lay it down and see how that will come out.
No.
It's fine. Just lay it down.
Put it in the middle.
Not the middle. It's too. Okay, try that one.
That's good. That's good enough. There you go.
Okay. Y'all, this is really tedious. Lord have mercy. I haven't did a lasagna in a long time. I didn't record it when I did it, though. I just did it. I didn't record it. But here we go. We have it. So we're going to do this, continue this process. I'm going to come back after we finish layering it because this video going to be long if I keep it the whole process. But just stay tuned. We're going to just show you all the next process. Stay tuned. Okay, you guys. So we're going to start putting the pasta on the... No, you're just going to sit there and you're going to spread it. Sit it down.
What's going on here, Mom?
Okay. Don't try to put too much. You got to spread it.
If you put it too much, that means we won't eat it all.
No, we're going to run out of meat.
Yeah.
All right, you guys. So this is the first step. Hold on. All right, y'all. This is looking kind of skimpy here, but we going to make it do to do. This pan is kind of big, so don't mind the pan. Just look at the process, okay? So we're going to add this cheese. We're going to start with the Kobe Jack first.
Yummy! Can I start to spread too?
Yes, you're going to start. You can do the cheddar.
That's sharp cheddar.
You gotta be able to put some on top. You're not gonna put it all at the bottom.
Okay, I know.
All right, just hold on. I'm gonna open it for you. Hold on. Just put the cheese on, you guys. And you can use, of course, whatever cheese you like. This is what we have on hand. Because I was going to go buy more, but this is what we got on hand. Oh, this ain't working. Hold on, you guys. Hold on.
Want me to open it?
Nope. Let's continue doing what you're doing.
Done.
You done with that one? Okay, put a little of this one.
Mommy, is mine
Yes,
ready?
in a minute. I got to get it open. Calm down. I'm struggling.
You're struggling to get it.
Struggling to get it open. Okay, we got it. Okay, you're going to start on the next one. We ain't going to put all that cheese on the bottom like that. Because what it's going to do is run to the bottom. Okay. Wait till I tell you.
Mommy, I will hold this.
All right. Next process is going to do another layer of the shells. Hold on. Put your hand there. But just go ahead. Go ahead, Z. Yes, Mama. Hold on.
This much?
Yes, go to the next line. All right, y'all. So we at the last. This is what it's looking like. So when we come back, you're going to see the final product.
So one is also it's not all.
Go ahead, baby girl. Put the cheese on there. This is the final touch of the lasagna.
Yep, I finished. I'm done.
It's going to be so tasty.
Mommy, put it in places like this corner too.
Come on inside
These
this corner.
These corners.
All right, you guys. You about to throw this
I'll
in
put
the
it
oven.
right here so it won't.
In this corner right here. This corner.
You're going to use the whole bag.
In that corner right here.
It's going to be cheesy.
That corner. And then that corner.
Put that in the trash.
Okay.
All right, you guys. It's going in the oven.
Yay!
Be back when it's done. I'm going to put it in there for about 45. Probably less, but I'll come back and show y'all. Okay, you all. So this is what my lasagna came out looking like. You all. We're about to test it. Be back in a minute.